In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Sprout Social account. This process is designed to be as simple and straightforward as possible, allowing you to manage your social media tools with ease and confidence. By the end, you'll be fully equipped to deactivate your account without any hassle. First, let's ensure you're ready to begin by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you find most comfortable to use. It's important to start with a browser because this process involves navigating to the Sprout Social website. Next, in the search bar at the top of your browser, type in Sprout Social and hit Enter. Doing this should direct you to the main site, where you'll be taking the next steps to manage your account settings. Once the page loads, you'll want to look for the Sign In or Sign Up option. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on that, as you'll need to log in to access your account settings. Make sure you have your login details handy so you can quickly enter your username and password if prompted. After logging in, you'll be on your Sprout Social dashboard, from where you can easily navigate to your account settings. Here, head towards the option labeled Account and Settings. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Settings. This menu is the gateway to managing various aspects of your account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll through until you find Billing and Plan. Clicking on this option is necessary, as it contains your subscription details, which is crucial for canceling or deactivating your account. This step ensures that any billing cycles are correctly ended, preventing unnecessary charges. As you reach the bottom of the Billing and Plan page, you'll come across the Deactivate Your Account option. It's typically located at the bottom of the page, so scroll down if necessary and click it. If you're using a paid subscription, this option will allow you to cancel your account effortlessly. For those on a free trial, you might notice a slightly different option: to convert from a trial to a paid plan or to simply discontinue the trial. It's important to pay attention to these details to choose the right option for deactivations based on your current plan. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to canceling your Sprout Social account. By following these steps carefully, you should find the process simple and straightforward, ensuring you can confidently manage your social media tools and subscriptions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time.